Hi everybody, hope all of you are doing wonderful. In this quick tutorial we will try to read a CSV file into PySpark. We'll try to create a PySpark data frame using a sample CSV file, and we will do all of this in VS Code. So let us start it. So let's download. You can create a CSV file in Google Sheet or in Excel like I have done, and you can download it like this. Okay, after downloading it, put this into the same folder as VS Code like I have done. I've already put it inside VS Code, and since I like the Jupyter environment, I've created a file demo.ipynv. Hope you know these things. So first thing first, you need your Python installed, and other than that you need this pip install PySpark. I have already done this, so no need to do this. So let's go ahead and start it. The first step would be to create a Spark session. So we'll import Spark session from PySpark.sql. So let's do it from PySpark.sql import Spark session. Okay, once this is done, I think this is done. We can then now create a Spark session. So a Spark session is the heart of PySpark. It's like a gateway that lets us connect Spark and work with the data. Let's write Spark equal to Spark session dot builder dot app name, and let's give it a app name. I think CSV reader would be a nice app name, right? CSV reader, and then let's do dot get or create, right? Let's press enter. I think it's created. Let's check it. Yeah, see, this Spark session is created. Now let's go ahead. Let's come to the main thing, which is reading the CSV file. So we'll create a data frame. We'll name it df, and we'll do spark dot read dot csv and then data. Actually we have the data here, right? We can just write demo.csv, and since the CSV file have header, we can write header equal to true, and then you can do two things. You can define the whole schema, or you can write infer schema equal to true. It will automatically try to infer the schema, right? And let's see, I think this worked. And now let's try to print few rows. We can do df.show. See, we have successfully created a PySpark data frame. So this was it. What we did, we created a Spark session, and then we did a spark.read.csv. We read the file, and yeah, it has the header. So header equal to 2, infer schema equal to true. Nice, right? It's done.